Dear citizen of the world, Muhammad Sir is very happy to greet you all together without any feeling of reticence. Before all, we wish you all the good understanding and the good feeling in these daily programs from the skies, the scientific programs of the skies. This day, you want to explain the energy of the skies. If it play you with the presence of God. The skies are speed up of massive energies by solar pressure for elementing the atmosphere on anesthesia elements. The laws of the skies are meticulously mixed up the energetic substances, multi-operational that allows understanding the molecular fraction of the atmospheric gas. The flexibility of the areas molecules of the sky verifies the chemicals and gaseous secretion of the skies for the multidimensional scientific relation with the condition of atmospheric pressure without any restriction. The laws of the skies are rich on gaseous energies, those leave to settle the area's molecules that agglutinate in the atmospheric space for producing the networks on combination with the stars and galactic laws. The skies are meticulously embellished on the networks, thus applying the celestial storage prevented by the divinity for marking an intrinsic point for the conditions of multifunctional existences of the seven skies miraculously stacked. The sky is given the potentiality of energetic strength of on massive gas, those the atmospheric area's molecules. The relations between the atmosphere and the sky are favored by the molecular special of extension, those allow the resolution of special networks by the impact of the galaxies. The laws of the sky generate the molecular massive extension, those verifies the scientific relations between the atmospheres, the skies, and the energies of the suns. The system of proliferation the system of proliferation of atmospheric massive gases by the skies are caused by the solar energies by impact of the original energetic substantial lights. The massive substances of the celestial gas are mixed up. The energies and the intensity lights prolific of anesthesia elements in the atmosphere for the purity of the nature. Our scientific philosophies demonstrate that the geophysical laws of the skies breed the dogmatic miracles. The solar norms keep a grandiose impact on the system of secretion of the massive gas by the skies in the celestial and planetary atmosphere. The energies of the sun proliferates the multifunctional laws thus keep an impact major on the existential conditions of the sky. The laws of the sky play a major role, essentially important on the functioning system of the atmosphere. The sky is compounded the energies, the substances, the gas, and the energetic lights. Those favor the well-being of the atmosphere without deterioration. The cheek of the sky is mixed up the atmospheric vapors by the pressure of the solar energy that breeds the lightening of the darkness skies. The laws of the ozone coat are under the secretion of the solar energy and substances of the skies. Those favor the value of the atmosphere on areas molecules those stretch out by contraction and attraction the massive gas. This geophysical laws is on correlations with the geoastrophysical norms that marks the origin of the satellites networks by impact of the stars by our developing scientific. The energies of the skies are structured on masses of ions rich on electric charge that breeds the nuclear uranium. The sky is rich on photons, rich on energetic charge, those breed the networks with the solar and galactic impact that favors the network's existences on sufficient frequency. According to the divine teaching, the space of the skies are structured on several kinds of energies: the solar, galactic, nuclear, and ionic energies, according to the dogmatic rites and of the divine holy Quran revelation of the posterity. The atmospheres of the skies are rich on several cellulose which are the electric charge ions, the nuclear uranium, and the species and specific photons. The sky is miraculously structured on several polymorph and allotropic elements, which favors immense molar and molecular masses of the component of the skies rich on ions amplified the electric charge. The elements of the skies are wonderfully bridged by the original prophetic brief, rich on photons that bridge the existential energetic lights, shout and restitution. Our empirical wish of pedagogic documentation teaches the celestial universe contains the scientific divine laws, multifunctional, commonly called by the scientific academician the celestial system of on the disciplines said astrology, astronomy, cosmography, astronomy. The energy of the skies is enriched on electric charge on charge of nuclear uranium that favors the existential condition of the planetary system. Our gives scientific knowledge, superior technician, aeroplane pilot, academician allow us to explain the scientific pragmatic nature of this universe, existence, short and research. Thank you very much, dear citizen of the world. That's what we wanted to explain this day for this day. Before leaving, we wish for all citizens of the world the peace and the health and the wealth, and wish for all citizens of the world the happiness in this life and the happiness into paradise. Thank you very much. It's from Muhammad Sab. Thank you.